The Kansas City Mayor's Christmas tree stands over 100 foot tall. It's one of the tallest the nation has. It's the centerpiece for Crown Center Square, illuminating the holiday season, and is available for us to enjoy November 26, 2021 through January 3rd of 2022. Now, did you know that after the holidays, the wood from the Mayor's Christmas tree is actually made into ornaments? Hallmark takes the wood from the tree and turns them into ornaments for us to purchase the following year. Everything sold goes to benefit the Mayor's Christmas Tree Fund, which helps local Kansas City families in need. Whether ice skating, taking in the fountains, or just time to look at this luminous tree, this is a great place to check out through the holiday season. Now, last year's ornament that I purchased looks like this. Let's go inside and see what the 2021 ornament looks like for this year. So each ornament is made at Hallmark, and this year's 2021 is called Festive Friends. If you're looking to purchase yours, it's at the second level customer service department of Crown Center. Happy holidays!